Okay, we're going to do a switch down. And again, I folded everything over underneath in the back so that I'm not on top of my other circuits. Now this one's a little tricky. I've got little sections of copper tape to put down. So I'm going to put down those little sections. Okay. And I'm not going to put anything across this dotted line right now. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. Actually, I do want to make sure I've got enough tape. Just make sure you've got a gap here, okay? You've got a gap. Let's finish putting the tape on. Okay, and again, make sure that the tape doesn't get on other surfaces because it's really difficult to get off. In my classroom on the floor, actually, there's a lot of tape that we actually can't even scrape off because it's now like embedded in the floor. So be careful where you put the copper tape. Okay, now got my copper tape on. I'm going to put my LED lights on, and I've got a red and a yellow left. So I'm going to do my red, positive to positive, negative to negative. You can mark them with your Sharpie if you want, if you have one. If not, just do what I did and lay it across there. Okay. Yeah, let me get that off my finger. Come on. Well, that tape's not being nice. Let's try this next piece here. There we go. Got that one down. And you see here, now I've got a problem. I'm overlapping a little bit. You can probably see I'm overlapping with my light bulb. I need to shove my light bulb up a little more. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put another piece of tape there. Got that light bulb in. Let's grab the yellow one. Make the splits and put it on. Copper tape. Okay, and copper tape. Sorry about the camera bouncing there. I kind of bumped into it. Now, this is the same type of series circuit that we had before in the first part of our booklet. So as we know with our series circuit, if we took our battery, connected it, those should turn on. Except we got a problem here. We've got a blank spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger. My finger is going to be the switch. I'm going to take the piece of copper tape and I'm going to put it on my finger like this. Okay. I'm going to close the circuit. It's going to take two hands. And then if I touch across this, this should light up. And it's not. So let's troubleshoot and see what's going on. Because that should light up the circuit as I'm going across there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another battery. Okay, that's what it took. It took another battery. Now, if I remove my finger, what happens? If I put my finger on, what happens? So what you're going to do is you're going to answer the question, why does the LED turn on when you place your finger across the copper, with the copper tape across the dotted line? Use a full sentence and use vocabulary words when you answer this one.